morning, all. I'm Epstein, and yep, I'm back in Chicago, back in the studio, and here we go. And this will be this way into midsummer, so we got quite a ways together, at least 4 months before I take off a few days, and then that's it for the year. All right, so let's talk about what's going on here. First off, the tariff wars continue on. Number two, what we saw is Chuck Schumer yesterday caved in, and he said, yes, the Democrats don't want to be associated with shutting the government down, so they will, at least he will vote along with the Republicans on this stopgap bill, and that's a good thing. The stock market up off that news today without any question. Metal market's still getting a heck of a rally. Gold has finally broken through the 3,000 level. It took it about a month or so, but it's done it. The dollar continues on a path lower as most currencies continue all to make higher highs against the dollar, but not running against it, just making higher highs. In the bonds and the notes, we're adding premium, as you can see, to it, so the yield is going up at this point. A mixed bag, still looking fairly bearish in heating oil. Gasoline down a little bit today, fairly stable, I'd call it, in the energies. And nat gas, well, we're going to be 80 in Chicago today. So, the cold weather, as I prepped you before I left, you can say goodbye to it. With me saying that, we're supposed to snow on Sunday. I know this is crazy, 80 today snow, and then 70 on Tuesday. So you're in your transition period in the marketplace. In terms of news today, you're going to get the University of Michigan prelim March consumer numbers at 9. They're guessing it to be at 63.2, which is down a bit from the 64.7 that we saw in February. So now you look at that, you got to figure, okay, a bounce today. My thought on it is, will the market get sold at key moving averages on this rally? That's been the pattern that it's done. So late in the day, we'll see if that is going to be the case. As we get closer and closer to April 1st and 2nd, when we're supposed to hear more about tariffs, the question is, do a number of countries give in and lower their tariffs, or do they do what the EU and other places are trying to do and fight with the U.S.? Not going to be the best move you can make. Remember, we import a heck of a lot of goods. And with that said, 200% tariffs on wine, champagne, and spirits versus them putting a tariff on one of our spirits doesn't make any sense at all if I'm them, but hey, I'm not. So we'll see where this all goes. Remember, take advantage of the free offerings that we have, such as my twice daily market updates. Now that I'm back this morning, I'll start writing those updates again. I will be doing a special report next week, and now I intend fully to set up a live webinar, maybe 2 of them, one for the futures and a separate one for the SPDR ETFs. And the reason is I find that when I do one combined, one part of the other doesn't get everything that they want. So that might not be the way to go. So we'll see. But in any case, all you got to do is go to iraepstein.com, free offers, choose the one you want. There's also an icon up here to get you there. If you click that, that'll take you right there. Fill out, click on the blue for what you want. We'll get it right to you. I'm Ira. I'll catch up with you either tonight as we do the weekly review or first thing in the morning. You have yourself a great trading day. Catch up with you later.